Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to my channel. My name is Srileka. I make some video contents related to my exploration videos, the places I hang out, and recently I got fall in love in making beaded jewelries related to that content, and even some of those products I try on my skincare products too. And if you want, you can check out in my channel. Today I came up with again an handmade jewelry video. This time it's going to be the most special for me for the reason that I have created my best time ever designs this time, for the reason that I've got many different collections of beads which I have purchased everything in some of the beads are from hobby craft and some of them are purchased in online in different websites. I'll share you everything about the beads later. Then today we just see what are the designs I made which are very special to me. So first one is this is the most special one. I loved it. So seriously, this can be even wore on any occasion. Actually, I have a plan to wear this on my birthday, so that is too long. My birthday falls on the month of December, but even though I love this is very special, and this came up well. Seriously, when I was doing this, I didn't expected this is going to be the hit of my jewelry. So next one is this. Just look at this. The color is very beautiful. I added the charm, which is a butterfly one. I liked it. Then next, this one is black and white with the silver coatings. So I have added some silver beads in this. The charm is love. It has written love. I liked it. This is a square type white color bead, which is different. That was very new to me. So this one is also my favorite and I liked it. In this pendant is very close to my heart because it has written that strong girls make waves. That was very close to my heart. So I have picked this for this particular design. I liked it. I have added different colors of beads. This one is weight. Actually, when you carry this on your neck, this is bit heavy, so I liked it. I added some flowers into it. Then this one is an easy carry one, and this one will suits for a daily usage one. So this one also has a butterfly charm because I had many charms which are especially butterflies, because butterfly is always on trend. This one will be like a trendy jewelry. Then this is something which is amazing. I didn't expected this is going to be the super hit. I loved it. Then this, look at this one is a leaf charm, and I added some silver beads into it. Then color combination which went very good. I loved it. And this one is the most favorite ever. God, I love this one has white beads. The very colorful attractive pink color comes with a leaf charm. I made all this by my own. Thank you so